Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came.
I'm almost afraid to show you guys how bad our room looks. I have not cleaned it in like a week and a half. This is for a giveaway. I'm still waiting for the person to email me their information to mail. Making more hair bows for a giveaway for Halloween. September is my birthday month, so I'm going to do like birthday themed. But let me get back to cleaning. Talking about cleaning. So yeah, our room is a hot mess. I've already started. I was like, let me go ahead and record myself. So I have stuff up here, stuff I need to fold, and it's so like gloomy outside, so I'm sorry about the lighting, you guys. I already have the robot vacuum running, but yeah, this is a hot mess, you guys. I know. I feel like a dirty person. Like, look at all this receipts I need to go through, and just all this. I've just been piling a lot of stuff up on this. Oh, there's the robot vacuum. It was under the bed. But yeah, let me go ahead and get started. So I'm starting with this basket of towels. I'm just going to go ahead and hurry up and fold all of the towels and then put them away. Our dresser is like a catch-all for what, like in our room. So I'm just taking all of this stuff, putting it away where it needs to be. And do you guys see how dusty the dresser is? Like, oh my goodness. But I'm using my Method Wood for Good polish to get this dresser nice and shiny. So this is my craft area over here, and I'm just going to go ahead and wipe it down with the Method Wood for Good polish.
You got something I can never be without, yeah. I'm in your command. Thought I was a man of my own will. Shadow of the good on me now. A breeze in my ear, cause you know I cannot see no deal. Feeling like home, but should it be like this? Locked up in your dome, you know I fight for you. What do I?
So right here I have a ton of junk in this area. I have a bunch of papers that I need to go through, mail, papers from school, and everything else. So I put them all into this big bag right here, and I'm going to go through it later.
What do I? We can't stop it, so I keep on rolling in silence. So I keep on rolling in silence. I find myself apologizing when you've started it. Why? Under a spell. I really wonder, how did it come to this? Go see my friends, but then I realized they're all your friends. Is this who I am? You see me running around in circles, feeling so sweet, but should it be like this?
So right here I'm just clearing off our nightstand. I have a lot of things on here, usually just my electronics like my phone and my vitamins, my iPad and things like that. So I'm just clearing off this area.
What do I? Whipping me into madness. I try to lay low, but I can never stay away
there are the end results. I want to thank you all for watching. If you found this video motivating or enjoyed watching me clean, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up and maybe share it with a friend or two that may need some cleaning motivation. If you want to see more videos like this, then hit that subscribe button and also that notification bell so that you're notified each and every time I upload a new cleaning video, because I do post a cleaning video at least once a week. But I'll talk to you all in my next video. Thanks for watching.
I think I've lost it. What do I